Thanks for stopping by Options Premium Daily. I'm your host, John. Today we're going to cover a really quick thinkorswim time charting tutorial. So, without further ado, let's get that started. But before we do, I want to let you know we started a brand new Discord channel. It is totally free. Link is in the description below, so feel free to check that out. There's going to be a lot of great value, watch lists, positions, all kinds of great content, especially very good educational content like we're providing here. So go ahead and check that out when you can. Be a member, and totally free. All right, so let's get started. With thinkorswim, you're going to have the capabilities to look at different time frames on the chart very easy. So right now I'm actually on Tesla. You'll see the TSLA ticker here. This is the daily for basically the year. So this is a 1-year daily chart. And if you'll see where my mouse is currently, this is where you can basically select different time frames. So if you're a short-term trader, you'll have like this 5-minute bar, the 30-minute. You'll see Tesla soared after hours, so pretty interesting, but maybe we'll cover that later. And then if you go to the 4 hours, like a half-day chart, and then say, let's go back to the daily. So pretty neat. It gives you a lot of options. Generally speaking, with the positions I take, I'm usually about a 30 to 45 day type trader in this respect. So that is kind of where a lot of this lies for me. So when I'm looking at this, I usually like to look at not only the shorter timelines, but the daily, weekly, and then also the monthly. Now, there's some things you can do. You can actually go here to time frame. You can see this was under favorites where I was earlier, but you'll go to time frame and you can actually create a custom ticker. So if I ever want to know how Tesla did, say 2008 to 2010, I can actually plug this in right here, put that in, put the type of aggregation period, maybe like a 4-hour daily chart, whatever. But where I really like to kind of do this is usually I will look at monthlies frequently. So I'm going to actually add this to my favorites. So if you go down here, we're under daily, or the chart time frame, favorites, customize lists. You click there, and now you're going to bring up the capabilities to adjust this. So you can do a few things. If, say, instead of the 5-day, 5-minute, you want like 10 days, go ahead and change that. You can just add or edit the time frame. I'm actually going to add my own custom time frame right now, and so I'll do that again so you can see. Add time frame right here. Click it, and we are going to stay here under this daily tab. Ironically, you can change the interval, so we're going to go really long. I'll go max available, and then aggregation period. It actually doesn't have to be daily. I want to go monthly in this case, but it's pretty neat. Option expiration is really interesting. A quarterly chart, yearly chart, everything. And it gives you a lot of ways to chart and see everything. So I just did maximum monthly. I'm going to apply, check it out. And now when I click here, I should see that under my favorites. And that's going to be one I'm going to check out frequently. Like you'll see with Tesla, I can see a pretty massive uptrend, a wedge coming down. And then ironically, like we saw on the shorter time frame, after hours, it soared. So we're now at 460, probably heading towards 500 soon. But how that came about, you'll see the long-term trend actually matched up really well with the daily chart, and you'll notice we were bouncing off of this trendline support. So pretty neat. Charting is very powerful. It's a nice tool to have. It helps you kind of have better probabilities and better probability setups with your trades. So it's something you do want to learn and become a master at in the future. But with that being said, I appreciate you stopping by. Hope you have a great rest of the week. There's no more earnings other than NEO tomorrow that I'm aware of, but we'll cover that. So other than that, happy trading. Take care. Bye-bye.